Few things unite humanity like the shared experience of a mosquito bite. That itchy red bump is a universal symbol of summer evenings spent swatting away these tiny vampires. But have you ever wondered why mosquitoes seem to prefer some people over others? It turns out becoming a mosquito's next meal is a complex interplay of factors. While we may all feel like tasty targets, mosquitoes are surprisingly picky eaters. One persistent myth is that mosquitoes have a favorite blood type. But is there any truth to this? Let's dive deeper into the science behind this intriguing question. Research suggests there might be some truth to this, with people boasting type O blood attracting mosquitoes nearly twice as much as those with type A. This finding has been supported by multiple studies conducted across different regions and populations. Type B falls somewhere in between. While not as attractive to mosquitoes as type O, it still draws more attention than type A. This hierarchy of attraction has puzzled scientists for years. Scientists believe this might be due to specific sugars secreted in the saliva of people with different blood types. These sugars, known as oligosaccharides, vary from one blood type to another and could be the key to understanding mosquito preferences. These sugars could act like beacons, signaling a tasty meal for a hungry mosquito, but the story doesn't end there. Other factors also play a significant role in making someone a mosquito magnet. For instance, the amount of carbon dioxide you exhale can attract mosquitoes. People who exhale more CO2, such as those who are larger or pregnant, tend to attract more mosquitoes. Additionally, lactic acid, a compound released in sweat, is another attractant. This means that after a workout, you might find yourself swatting away more mosquitoes than usual. Even the consumption of certain foods and drinks can influence mosquito attraction. Studies have shown that drinking beer, for example, can make you more appealing to these pesky insects. Skin bacteria also play a role. The unique combination of bacteria on your skin can produce scents that are either attractive or repulsive to mosquitoes. This is why some people seem to get bitten more than others, even when they're in the same environment. Understanding these factors can help us better protect ourselves from mosquito bites. Using repellents, wearing protective clothing, and avoiding peak mosquito activity times are all effective strategies. In areas where mosquito-borne diseases are prevalent, taking these precautions is especially important. Mosquito nets, for instance, can provide a physical barrier that keeps mosquitoes at bay while you sleep. Mosquitoes are more than just a nuisance. They are vectors for serious diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika. By understanding what attracts them, we can take steps to reduce our risk of being bitten and contracting these illnesses. Ongoing research continues to uncover new insights into mosquito behavior and attraction. Scientists are constantly exploring new ways to keep these pests at bay and protect public health. So, the next time you're outside enjoying a warm evening, remember that a little knowledge about what attracts mosquitoes can go a long way in keeping them at bay. Stay informed, stay protected, and enjoy the great outdoors without the buzz and bite of mosquitoes. A blood type is just the tip of the iceberg. Mosquitoes are masters of smell, relying heavily on their sense of smell to find their next meal. They detect a complex cocktail of chemicals released from our skin, breath, and even our sweat. These chemicals, known as volatile organic compounds, create a unique odor profile that can be irresistible to a mosquito. Believe it or not, your choice of clothing can make you a walking target for mosquitoes. Darker colors, such as black, navy, and red, tend to attract mosquitoes more than lighter shades. This is because darker colors absorb more heat, making you a more visible and appealing target. Additionally, loose-fitting clothing offers less protection against mosquito bites compared to tighter weaves. One of the most important attractants for mosquitoes is carbon dioxide, the gas we exhale with every breath. Mosquitoes are incredibly sensitive to CO2 and can detect it from up to 50 meters away. This explains why people who are exercising, pregnant, or simply have a larger body mass tend to attract more mosquitoes. They naturally produce more CO2, sending out an irresistible dinner bell to these buzzing pests. As if CO2 wasn't enough, our bodies betray us in other ways. Mosquitoes are drawn to heat, and our body temperature acts as a beacon in the dark. This is why you might notice mosquitoes swarming around you after a workout, as your body temperature is elevated. Additionally, lactic acid, a byproduct of exercise that builds up in our muscles, is another mosquito magnet. Skin bacteria, a microbial buffet. Our skin is home to a diverse community of bacteria, and it turns out mosquitoes have their preferences. Certain types of bacteria produce compounds that are particularly attractive to mosquitoes. This explains why some people seem to get bitten more in specific areas, like the ankles and feet, where bacterial populations tend to be higher. Pregnancy and beer surprising mosquito magnets. Some factors that attract mosquitoes might surprise you. While we often think of mosquitoes being drawn to stagnant water or dark clothing, there are other, less obvious factors at play. For example, pregnant women are twice as likely to be bitten by mosquitoes compared to their non-pregnant counterparts. This increased attraction is due to a combination of physiological changes that occur during pregnancy. One of the main reasons is that pregnant women exhale more carbon dioxide, a gas that mosquitoes are highly sensitive to. Additionally, pregnant women tend to have a slightly higher body temperature, which makes them more detectable to these pesky insects. The combination of increased CO2 and body heat creates a perfect storm for attracting mosquitoes. Even enjoying a beer can make you more attractive to mosquitoes. Studies have shown that alcohol consumption can increase the likelihood of mosquito bites. This is because alcohol can cause the body to release more carbon dioxide, which, as mentioned earlier, is a major attractant for mosquitoes. Additionally, alcohol can increase blood flow to the skin and cause you to sweat more. The combination of increased CO2 and sweat makes you a prime target for mosquitoes. So the next time you're enjoying a cold beer on a warm summer evening, be aware that you might be inviting some unwanted guests to your party. To protect yourself from mosquito bites, especially if you're pregnant or enjoying a drink, consider using mosquito repellent or wearing long sleeves and pants. Mosquito nets and screens can also provide an additional layer of protection. Remember, being aware of these surprising mosquito magnets can help you take the necessary precautions to avoid those itchy bites. Genetic factors, the mosquito magnet lottery. While we can control some factors that attract mosquitoes, others are simply a matter of genetics. Research suggests that approximately 20% of people are genetically predisposed to being more attractive to mosquitoes. These individuals produce a specific combination of chemicals that mosquitoes find irresistible, making them prime targets for bites. Conclusion: winning the bite-free battle. Understanding why mosquitoes find you irresistible is the first step in preventing those itchy bites. Mosquitoes are attracted to certain chemicals in our sweat, the carbon dioxide we exhale, and even the heat our bodies emit. Some people are more attractive to mosquitoes due to their unique body chemistry, which can be influenced by factors like diet, exercise, and even the bacteria on our skin. Knowing these factors can help us take targeted actions to reduce our appeal to these pesky insects. While we can't change our blood type or genetics, we can modify our behavior and environment to reduce our attractiveness to these buzzing pests. Applying insect repellent containing DEET picaridin or oil of lemon eucalyptus can create a barrier that mosquitoes are less likely to cross. Wearing light-colored clothing can make you less visible to mosquitoes, as they are more attracted to dark colors. Setting up mosquito nets around sleeping areas, especially in regions where mosquito-borne diseases are prevalent, can provide an additional layer of protection. Additionally, eliminating standing water around your home, such as in bird baths, flower pots, and gutters, can reduce mosquito breeding sites and decrease the overall mosquito population in your area. Wearing light-colored clothing, using insect repellent, avoiding peak mosquito hours, and eliminating standing water around your home can all help you win the battle against mosquito bites and enjoy a more comfortable outdoor experience. Peak mosquito hours are typically during dawn and dusk, so planning your outdoor activities outside of these times can further reduce your risk of getting bitten. Additionally, using fans or air conditioning can help keep mosquitoes at bay, as they are weak flyers and tend to avoid windy conditions. By combining these strategies, you can create a multi-layered defense against mosquitoes and significantly reduce the likelihood of getting bitten. Remember, a proactive approach is key to enjoying the great outdoors without the nuisance of mosquito bites. So gear up with the right tools and knowledge, and take control of your outdoor experience. Thanks for watching. If you have a fun and interesting topic you want me to cover, let me know in the comments section down below.